Frequently asked questions, FAQs about the 10-step do-it-yourself, erase your criminal record guide. 1. What is the 10-step DIY erase your criminal record guide? The guide is a comprehensive manual designed to help individuals expunge or seal their criminal records in Harris County, Texas. It includes step-by-step instructions, necessary forms, and access to virtual support. 2. Who can use the guide? The guide is intended for individuals with a criminal record in Harris County, Texas, who meet the eligibility criteria for expungement or record sealing. 3. How do I purchase the guide? You can purchase the guide directly from our website. Follow the instructions to complete your purchase and download the guide. 4. Is the guide available digitally? Yes, the guide is available in a digital format for immediate download after purchase. 5. Can I access the guide on my mobile device? Yes, the guide is accessible on computers, tablets, and smartphones. 6. Does the guide include all necessary forms? Yes, the guide includes all the forms required for expungement or record sealing in Harris County, Texas. 7. What if I lose my copy of the guide? You can re-download the guide using the original purchase link or by contacting customer support. 8. How often is the guide updated? The guide is regularly updated to reflect any changes in the law or procedure. 9. Will I receive updates if the laws change? Yes, you will receive updates if new laws affect the expungement process. 10. How do I determine if I am eligible for expungement or record sealing? Our website has a "Do you qualify?" section to help you determine if you're eligible. You can also contact our office and request an eligibility report. 11. Does the guide provide detailed step-by-step instructions? Yes, the guide is designed to be user-friendly with clear instructions and examples to help you through the process. 12. Is there customer support available? Yes, customer support is available to assist you with any questions or issues you may have. 13. What types of virtual support are included with the guide? Virtual support includes Zoom sessions and access to a private support group. 14. Can I get a refund if I am not satisfied with the guide? Details of the refund policy are found on our website. 15. Can I purchase the guide for someone else? Yes, you can purchase the guide as a gift for someone else. 16. How much does the guide cost? The current price of the guide is listed on the website, along with any available discounts or promotions. 17. What payment methods are accepted? We accept various payment methods, including credit, debit cards, and PayPal. 18. Are there any hidden fees? No, there are no hidden fees. The cost of the guide is clearly stated on the website. 19. Can I use this guide if I live outside of Harris County, Texas? The guide is specifically designed for Harris County, Texas. If you live elsewhere, check for specific resources for your area. 20. Does the guide cover both expungement and record sealing? Yes, the guide provides information on both expungement and record sealing. 21. How long does the process take using the guide? The timeline varies depending on your specific case, but the guide aims to streamline the process as much as possible. 22. What if I have additional questions not covered in the guide? You can reach out through the virtual support options or contact customer service for further assistance. 23. Is there a community of other users I can join? Yes, purchasing the guide grants you access to a private support group where you can connect with others. 24. How do I join the private support group? You will receive an invitation to join the group after purchasing the guide. 25. Can I ask questions during the Zoom sessions? Absolutely, the Zoom sessions are interactive and designed to help answer any questions you have. 26. What is criminal record expungement? Expungement is a legal process that removes a criminal record from public view, making it as though the arrest or conviction never occurred. 27. What types of records can be expunged in Harris County, Texas? Eligible records for expungement include certain misdemeanors, felonies, arrests, and cases that ended in acquittal or dismissal. 28. What is the difference between expungement and record sealing? Expungement completely removes the record, while sealing makes it inaccessible to the public but still available to law enforcement and certain agencies. 29. What are the eligibility criteria for expungement and sealing in Harris County, Texas? Eligibility criteria include having a record that qualifies under Texas law, such as certain misdemeanors, felonies, deferred adjudications, straight probations, pretrial diversions, veteran treatment programs, victims of human trafficking, no bills, acquittals, dismissals, and convictions. 30. How do I start the expungement and sealing process in Harris County, Texas? The guide provides detailed steps, but generally it starts with determining your eligibility, getting a copy of your Harris County criminal record, and filing a petition with the court. 31. What documents do I need to begin the expungement and sealing process? You will need your criminal record, case details, and the necessary forms, all of which are covered in the guide. 32. How long does the expungement and sealing process take? The process can take 3 or more months depending on the complexity of your case and the court's schedule. 33. Are there any fees associated with expungement and sealing? Yes, there are court and filing fees, but the guide contains information and forms for filing for indigency if you are unable to afford these fees. 34. Can I expunge or seal more than one record at a time? Yes, multiple records can be addressed in a single petition if they are eligible. 35. What happens if my expungement or sealing petition is denied? If denied, you may appeal the decision or refile if new information or changes in the law apply. 36. Will an expunged record show up on a background check? No, once expunged the record should not appear on standard background checks. 37. Do I need to disclose an expunged record to employers? No, once your record is expunged, you can legally deny the existence of the expunged record. 38. What if my charges were dismissed? Dismissed charges can be eligible for expungement, which the guide will help you determine. 39. Is there a deadline for filing an expungement or sealing petition? No, there are not any deadlines based on filing your petition, but you must wait the applicable wait period before you can file your petition. Specific details in the guide. 40. Do I need to appear in court for my expungement or sealing hearing? In most cases you will not need to appear in court for your expungement hearing, but some situations may require your attendance, especially if you're sealing your record. 41. Can I seal a record if I am currently on probation? Generally you must complete your probation before you are eligible for sealing it. 42. How does expungement affect my rights? Expungement can restore certain rights, such as the right to vote, own firearms, and serve on a jury, depending on the case. 43. Can I expunge a record if I was acquitted? Yes, acquitted cases are typically eligible for expungement. 44. What if I was arrested but not charged? Arrests without charges can often be expunged, which the guide will help you determine. 45. Does expungement remove my record from all databases? Expungement will remove your record from public databases, but some private databases may still have records that need separate removal requests. This process is included in the guide, and it will allow you to remove your record from 800+ private databases. 46. Can I expunge or seal my record if I have multiple convictions? Multiple convictions can be done. The guide will help you navigate eligibility in steps. 47. What if I have additional questions about expungement or record sealing? You can reach out through the virtual support options provided with the guide or through Zoom conference and private group chats.